Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a border in text using Canva. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first things first, you need to open your Canva, okay? And here you can see at the left side, it has these different options. Now the first one, you need to click on text. And as you can see under the default text styles, it has different sizes of text. Now we need to go for this first one. Just simply click on that. And the moment you click that, this will be pasted here. Okay. So here, add a text that you want to. Okay. Or phrase or any sentence that you would like. Let's go with you are loved, for example. Okay. So now here's the thing. You can also change the font style if you want to. You just simply click this. And the moment you click on that, at the left side, you will be able to see recommended fonts, recently used fonts, and popular fonts that you could apply in your text. Okay. So let's go with this. Just simply scroll down and look for a perfect font. Okay, so let's go with this brokerage. Okay, so the moment this will mark check, it will be successfully applied in our text. Okay, so here, in order to make this text bigger, just simply click on this add icon and then just simply continue on tapping until you are satisfied with the size. Okay, so I'm going with this size. Okay. Now you can also change the color. Just simply click this A icon which contains the text color, and the moment you click on that, this list of colors will appear at the left side. You can see here default colors, document colors, and you can also add your brand colors. Okay, so in my case, I'll be going to this color coral red. Okay, so we have just changed the color of our text. Now, in order to add border on this text, just have to simply click these three dots and then go for duplicate. Okay, so the moment you click on that, your text is pasted. You have just duplicate a text. Okay, so how to add this into this text to become a border. Now just have to go for this effects, go for hollow, okay, under the style, and the moment you click on that, your text will be changed into hollow style. Okay, so the next one is we need to change the color to emphasize our borders. How? Go back to this A icon again, which contains the text color. Then choose solid colors that will fit perfectly to your text. So in my case, I'll be going to this black one. Okay. So after that, just have to drag this to the text. Okay. So now you have just perfectly added a border in your text. Okay. So if you think this video helps you, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy adding borders in your text using Canva. Bye bye.